Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the ignition switch or the key barrel on Opel Astra, Opel Zafira, Opel Vectra. This is the key barrel that I'm going to replace. So in order to get to it, first I'm going to remove a couple of plastic panels. First I'm going to remove this cap, and there is a bolt screw underneath, and the same on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I need to pull out this plastic panel. Next I'm going to remove this lower panel. There is a bolt there holding it and two bolts on top. These are the two bolts on top that we need to remove. We also need to remove this bolt for the handle for the steering wheel going up and down. And now we can remove the plastic panel. Next, we need to remove this wiper switch. There is two clips holding it on the top and the bottom. We need to press them and then pull it out. Next, we're going to remove this key barrel. We need to turn the key into position 2, not ignition on, but the positioning before that. And there is a hole in there where we need to press on with a screwdriver or something really thin. And when we press it on the key barrel, it will release the key barrel and the key barrel come out. And that's the key barrel out. And here I'll show you what I pressed exactly. This is what I pressed right there. Next I need to put a screwdriver in there and press this metal part over there. You see what I'm pressing in order to put in the new key barrel. I'm going to press it now. You see now what I'm pressing exactly. Right there. That's it. That's it all done. Now we can put on the new key barrel. Make sure the new key barrel is again in position 2. Not the ignition on, but the position before that. And just press the key barrel in and it will go in, and then you can turn the key to the left and take it out. And that's it, it's in. Now we're going to turn the key to the left and take out the key, and it's all done. Now we assemble everything in the reverse order and we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.